Three species in genus Prosopis. The mesquite, a thorny tail. The desert wind whipped through my hair as I stared at the gnarled, thorny branches reaching towards the unrelenting sun. This was a mesquite tree, a member of the Prosopis genus belonged to the Fabaceae family, a group of plants I've come to deeply admire. Their resilience in the face of harsh conditions, their ability to provide sustenance in the most arid environments, and their surprising versatility make them a fascinating subject. I first encountered Prosopis during a research trip to the southwestern United States. The landscape was dominated by these hardy trees, their twisted trunks and spiny branches a testament to their survival in the face of scorching heat and limited water. I was immediately intrigued. How could anything thrive in such an unforgiving environment? The answer, I soon learned, lies in their remarkable adaptations. Adapting to the extreme. Prosopis species have evolved a number of strategies to survive in arid and semi-arid regions. Their deep root systems, often extending tens of meters below the surface, can tap into underground water sources. Their small, waxy leaves minimize water loss through transpiration. And their thorns, while daunting, deter herbivores and protect their precious foliage. But it's not just their physical adaptations that impress me. Prosopis species have also developed fascinating symbiotic relationships with soil bacteria. These bacteria form nodules on the tree's roots, converting atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form for the plant. This process, known as nitrogen fixation, allows Prosopis to thrive in nutrient-poor soils where other plants struggle. A diverse family. Prosopis cineraria, known as the gaff tree. Prosopis cineraria is a resilient desert tree with dense foliage and deep roots, well suited for arid landscapes and valued for its role in preventing desertification. Prosopis farcta, often referred to as the Syrian mesquite. Prosopis farcta is a hardy shrub or small tree with an extensive root system, known for its ability to thrive in saline and degraded soils. Prosopis coelziana, native to Iran. Prosopis coelziana is a small, drought-tolerant tree with thorny branches and a high tolerance for heat, often used for windbreaks and erosion control in desert regions. More than just thorns. While their thorny exterior might suggest otherwise, Prosopis species offer a wealth of benefits to both humans and ecosystems. Their pods, rich in protein and carbohydrates, have been a traditional food source for indigenous communities for centuries. The wood, dense and durable, is used for construction, furniture, and fuel. And the flowers, a valuable source of nectar, support thriving bee populations and honey production. Beyond their direct economic value, Prosopis plays a vital ecological role. Their deep roots help stabilize soils, preventing erosion and desertification. Their canopies provide shade and shelter for a variety of animals. And their nitrogen-fixing abilities enrich the soil, benefiting other plant species. A complex relationship. Despite their many benefits, Prosopis species have also been the subject of controversy. Their ability to thrive in degraded lands and outcompete native vegetation has led to their classification as invasive species in some regions. The dense thickets they form can impede livestock movement and reduce grazing land. However, it's important to remember that Prosopis is simply doing what it does best, surviving and thriving. The challenges associated with its spread are often linked to human activities, such as overgrazing and land clearing, which create favorable conditions for Prosopis to establish itself. Looking ahead, as we face the increasing challenges of climate change and land degradation, the resilience and versatility of Prosopis offer valuable lessons. Their ability to thrive in harsh conditions, provide valuable resources, and support ecosystem services makes them a crucial ally in our efforts to build a more sustainable future. My journey with Prosopis has been one of discovery and appreciation. These thorny trees, often overlooked or even vilified, hold a wealth of potential. By understanding their biology, ecology, and cultural significance, we can learn to work with them, rather than against them, to create a more resilient and productive world.